You know
Okay,
that,
sir.
or you don't know that?
Yes, sir, we know.
Acha, you
Like
know
it
it,
is
na?
obvious it will be holiday.
Oh, acha. Acha, it is like acha, obvious types there. Okay, okay. So we will write the stock notation, and after that, what we will do? We will do some balancing. We'll start balancing the redox reaction. Please write. So it is good for you guys, na? Like Friday and Saturday both are holidays.
So Friday is holiday?
No, अच्छा फ्राइडे आप लोग के नहीं होता ना हॉलीडे? अच्छा
No,
फॉर
like
यू बैच.
for me it's no.
हाँ, फॉर यू, ओनली फॉर यू. व्हाट अबाउट हिबा?
No, for Hiba it is, but not me.
अच्छा मैथ्स.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा राइट. स्टॉक नोटेशन. Stock notation. Okay. Yes. So see, we have one notation which is how we name different types of ionic molecules, and let us say the compound which contain metals. Na? There is a naming category which we say it is us and ik nomenclature. Do you know this? No? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have heard about this us and ik nomenclature?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. So
Yeah,
what, Khalid?
no, we haven't heard of it.
Yeah. Acha, arsenic, you haven't heard of it. Okay. For example, sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid. No? Ferric chloride, ferrous chloride. Cupric oxide, cuprous oxide. These things ring a bell, na? Huh?
Yes, sir.
No. है ना? So there's one nomenclature which is arsenic. Maybe if I get time sometime, then I will tell you about this arsenic nomenclature later. Okay. But as of now, we will study the stock notation. Okay. So the stock notation was proposed by Albert Stock. Okay, उसी के नाम पे these notation are there, है ना? Proposed by Albert Stock. What do we do here? What do we do? Please write. In this system, the oxidation state is indicated by Roman numeral written in, those who know some coding, they will love this word, parentheses. You know what is parentheses? नहीं पता क्या आप लोगों को? सलमान, you know this word, parentheses? What did he say? हमें तो सुनाई भी नहीं दिया. Immediately.
Heard of it, but we didn't study it.
Acha, parentheses nothing, it is bracket. But this is this bracket, okay? Curved. What do you see? What bracket is this?
Teacher just said like curved bracket. She didn't specify
Curved.
its parentheses.
Acha, this is curved bracket, okay? Parentheses is curved bracket, okay? After the name of element, after the name of element. So, by the way, let me see if I can give you some, if I get some resource now on us and ik nomenclature, it will be very helpful for you guys. Us and ik nomenclature. Practice. I have some part. Let me see this. Hmm. Did you guys write this? Let me know. Okay, Hiba is done. What about others? Hamza, Khalid, Salman.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, Shrave is also done. Okay, fine. So for example, if you have Cu2O, okay, Cu2O. So we know the oxidation state of oxygen, okay? We know the oxidation state of oxygen, it is always what? It is -2. But for copper, it is 2x plus -2 is equal to 0. And hence you will write for oxidation state of 2x will be equal to 2. And hence x will be equal to +1. Correct? Yes or no? Any doubt till
Yes,
here?
sir.
No
No,
doubt?
sir, no doubt.
No. In stock notation, this will be written as this is copper. You'll write copper 1 in Roman numeral, 1 like this. And oxide, because oxide, ide means oxygen has a negative charge, okay? Oxide. Copper 1 oxide. Easy? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You know now where this 1 is coming from. This 1 is coming from this +1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try for this one. You will never have any negative things here, okay? Only positive Roman numerals. That means you will only be giving the Roman numerals. That means you will always be calculating the oxidation state of the metals. FeCl2. Tell me what is the oxidation state of Fe, okay? Calculate and tell me.
Sir, the Roman numeral will be given according to oxidation state.
Like for example, if you have +1, then it will be. If you have +2, then this will be. Okay.
Okay, sir. Same will apply for negative value.
नहीं नेगेटिव के लिए करना ही नहीं वही तो बोल रहे हैं हम only positive okay you have to because see oxygen you always know it is -2 chlorine what is chlorine oxidation state always what is the oxidation state of chlorine
-1.
-1 हाँ है ना उससे कैलकुलेट करना है आपको आयरन का that's it so this is only if you have variable oxidation state okay for example you will see FeCl2 is also a molecule and you will also see FeCl3 is a molecule so calculate the oxidation state for both of them that means for Fe only okay you will be don't सबके लिए मत calculate कीजिएगा you have to calculate the oxidation state for Fe here and here also for Fe. Send me in chat if you get the answer. Got two answers. Nahi, Khalid. What is Fe? Tell me. Fe means
Iron.
what? Iron, na? Iron. So you'll write iron.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought we had to write on the
No. Only the name. No. Name only. Iron. Then here it is oxidation state is 2. Then you will write 2 like this. And chloride. Chloride C will be small. Hamza, आपको आ रहा है? Here the oxidation state will be 3.
Yes, sir.
And iron 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers that you are going to use, okay? So the Romans were also like, we can handle till 3, but for 4, I need something else. Hi. Shravya? Hello, Shravya?
Yes, sir.
You wrote for the second one, like iron 2 chloride, na? First, this one is iron.
No,
See
sir.
what you,
First I wrote the
What?
third one and second one, and then I wrote first one.
Acha. That's what I was thinking. Okay, no, it is fine. Done? Done, Hiba, Salman?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now let us write. For example, if you have something more complex, K2, Cr2, O7. Okay. K2, Cr2, O7. So the name of this particular molecule is potassium dichromate. Okay, potassium dichromate. Okay, but see, okay, potassium. Do we know the oxidation state of potassium? For oxygen, so we know. Do we know the oxidation state of potassium? Yes or no? Tell me, Hamza.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we know, na. What about Hamza? Do you know Hamza? Oxidation state of potassium? See, whenever you are in doubt, ask yourself which group is this? Which group is this? Hamza? Potassium? Don't know. Khalid? Which group? Potassium?
That is +1, right?
+1. है ना? That means first group में है, so it's a +1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First group.
So you know this, right? For potassium, you know. For oxygen also, you know. Don't know for the chromium ion here. So we'll write this is 2x plus this will be 2 into 1 plus oxygen will be 7 into -2. है ना? This will be equal to 0. So 2x plus 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. Hence 2x will be equal to what?
12.
Yeah. X will be equal to +6, है ना? +6. Okay. Now this X is for chromium here. Okay. And as you can see that in the name we have chromate. So just after this we will write 6. Okay. Done? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us write the balancing. I will give you some assignment for this. And then we can start the balancing part. So how many class did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think in 6th class I should be able to complete this chapter. Balancing of redox reaction. Balancing of the redox reaction. Okay. So for balancing, we have two ways. There are two ways that you have to study for balancing. Okay. The one is oxidation number method. Okay. The other one is half equation method, or it is also known as ion electron method. Ion electron method, or half equation or reaction method. Okay. So first, today we will look at this oxidation number method, and then maybe in the next class we can look at the ion electron method. Okay. Write this one. Done?
Done, sir.
Done all of you? Okay, fine. See, we will write, please write oxidation number method. Okay. Now in oxidation number method, you, as the name suggests, that we will be calculating the oxidation number. Okay, for all these species. For all these species which is involved in the equation, the reaction, we will calculate the oxidation number, and by the help of oxidation number, by the help of oxidation, we will be balancing the reaction. We will be balancing the reaction. Okay. In oxidation number method, we balance the equation by the help of oxidation number. Okay, by the help of oxidation numbers. Oxidation number, oxidation state. Okay, anything. So I will not write much theory. We will write the theory only if we when we need it. Okay. So let me start with a very simple reaction. Okay, very simple reaction which you can already reach, whose answer you already know. That means you can easily check it. Okay. So we'll write a reaction. So please write with me. Let us take, for example, Zn plus HCl will give me ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. First of all, tell me, all of you, is this balanced? Yes or no? Is this balanced? Check and tell. No.
No, sir.
No, na? It is not. Acha, there is Shravya. Shravya kahan chali gayi? Okay, I think she is not here. Got disconnected. It is not balanced. Okay. Now, the next step is what you have to do. You have to write all the oxidation state for each of these particular elements. What is for Zn? Oxidation state for Zn. In the elemental state, it will be 0, right? Yes or no? 0, na?
Yes, sir.
For hydrogen, +1.
+1.
Chlorine, -1.
Yes, sir. -1.
Okay, what about here? Zinc,
So +2.
+2. Chlorine,
-1.
-1. Okay. Hydrogen, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen is 0. Okay. Now let us look at what is happening for each of them. What is happening for each of them? Okay. So since you have only 2, you will make 2 arrows like this. Zinc is getting +2. And then you can see the chlorine is what? It has not changed, right? So we will not write anything for chlorine. We'll write only for hydrogen. Okay. Any problem till here? Any problem till here?
No, sir.
No problem. Okay. Now here for hydrogen, you can write, you can see that the hydrogen is +1 here, the hydrogen is 0 here. That means oxidation state decreased by 1 per atom. Okay, so whatever change in the oxidation state you will see now, you will write it like this: oxidation state decreased 1 per atom. Okay. Yes or no?
sir.
Okay. What about zinc? You will write oxidation state increase by 2 per atom. Okay. Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Any problem till here? No problem till here? Okay. Then listen, very simple. So here what is there? You will say the changes of 2. Here the changes of 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then just do crisscross. Is it balanced now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Ravya, you got disconnected.
Yes, sir.
You understood this or no?
Understood, sir.
Okay. So the basic idea is that only that you see what is the change in oxidation state per atom. Okay. You see what is the change in oxidation state per atom. And after that, what you have to do, you have to do just the crisscross thing. Okay. So tell me done if you're done.
Done, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir. Done.
This is one question. Now let us write the second question. Okay. Now this is a bit different, that you have copper plus NO3 negative, and you are getting NO2 plus you are getting Cu2 positive, plus you are getting Cu2 positive. Now tell me, is this balanced? Does this look balanced? Yes or no? Is it balanced? Yes or no?
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
not balanced.
Not balanced. No, not balanced. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, what is the next thing we do? We write the oxidation state for each of them. है ना? We write the
Yes,
oxidation
sir.
Yes,
state for.
sir.
So for all the elements here, copper, nitrogen, oxygen, copper, you write the oxidation state. Okay. So I think for 2 of them, it is very easy. This is 0 and this is +2. है ना? Right for the others, nitrogen and oxygen. Let me know if you're done writing all the oxidation state.
Done, sir.
Okay. What about others? Khalid, Hiba, Salman, Hamza. Yes, done or no? Hiba, नहीं हुआ?
Sir, almost done.
ऑलमोस्ट ओके ओके ऑक्सीजन का तो सेम ही होगा है ना ऑल ऑफ यू नो फॉर ऑक्सीजन इट विल बी सेम ओनली -2
Yes, sir.
-2
-2.
है ना here also -2 here also -2 नाइट्रोजन का बताइए व्हाट इज हियर इन रिएक्टेंट reactant site what is the oxidation state for nitrogen क्या हुआ हमजा खालिद सलमान
Sir, for NO3?
here
No,
Sir,
sir, for
NO3
NO3, we need to say the oxidation state.
what did you wait a second Shravya क्या बोल रही हैं what did you say
No, sir, you asked the question that to say the oxidation state of nitrogen.
हाँ in the reactant tell me
Oh, okay. So I got +5.
+5 ना अच्छा you are saying should I say
Yes, sir.
हाँ okay I could not hear it properly okay this is +5 what about here +4 what happened Hamza Hiba Khalid Salman नहीं आया आप लोग का ये
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
got
Sir.
+5, but I just got +4.
है
No, I just got the answer. +4.
अच्छा you just got the answer okay so again the copper is changing from 0 to +2 nitrogen is है ना so here the change is what should I write oxidation state increases by 2 per atom and here I should write oxidation state decreases by 1 per atom है ना that means here I will write 2 here I will write 1 then I will do criss and cross so the equation will become 2 copper plus NO3 negative sorry plus 2 NO3 negative उल्टा लिख दिया हमने यहाँ पे 2 copper plus 2 sorry copper plus 2 NO3 negative it will give me NO2 plus NO2 now see what you have to do how many nitrogens are there 2 nitrogens you just write 2 NO2 okay you have 1 copper you write copper 2 plus tell me is it balanced till now no na is it balanced
No, sir.
no right so see what you have to do here see you don't have to worry about oxygen okay right now you're saying oxygen is not balanced you don't have to worry about oxygen till now can you see that the charge is also not balanced yes or no
Yes, sir.
है ना now here you will be given an information additional information they will say that the reaction is done in acidic condition acidic condition okay fine now what you have to do when you see acidic condition so in the product you will add water molecule as much as you need you will add water molecule as much as you need what do I mean by this tell me see the next step is add H2O in product you will understand this slowly okay you'll understand this slowly don't worry okay Hamza tell me copper is balanced yes or no copper is balanced hello Hamza
Yes, sir.
हाँ copper is balanced yes or no अरे कितना कॉपर है यहाँ पे इन रिएक्टेंट टेल मी हाउ मेनी कॉपर
Sir, 1.
हमजा हाउ मेनी कॉपर इन प्रोडक्ट
1.
क्या हो रहा है इतना देर क्यों लग रहा है आपको फिर आंसर देने में डोंट वरी अबाउट द चार्ज इफ यू आर सीइंग द चार्ज ओके हेबा टेल मी हाउ मेनी नाइट्रोजन इन द प्रोडक्ट इन द रिएक्टेंट हाउ मेनी नाइट्रोजन हाउ मेनी इन द प्रोडक्ट
2.
balanced nitrogen is balanced yes or no
Yes, sir.
okay Khalid tell me how many oxygens
Sir, oxygen is 2,
in the reactant
3.
3 ऐसा मार लगेगा ना आपको हमजा how many
Yeah,
oxygen
no, sir, because of the minus, it's 2. I said 2 first.
minus क्या 2 कैसे है? नहीं, how many hydrogen here, tell me ना. In 2H2O how many hydrogen, Khalid? माइक ही नहीं ऑन रहता है इन लोगों का. Khalid,
Yes, sir.
how many hydrogen in 2H2O here?
4.
अब बताइए, how many oxygen in 2NO3?
6.
हाँ, and how many here?
4.
4. So how many do we need in the product? 2 more, na?
Yes, sir.
So how many H2O should I add? I will add H2O here. So how many H2O should I add? Tell me.
2 more.
2 more, na? Oxygen is balanced, yes or no?
But
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
need to add hydrogen also.
हाँ, तो अभी हाँ, now we will add hydrogen ना, हाँ, आराम से. Slowly, Shravya, slowly ना.
Yes, sir.
So see, now in the acidic condition you can add H plus. How many H plus? 4 na?
4H
4H
plus.
Can you guys see this? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Slowly, okay? Hamza, Hiba,
Yes,
Khalid and
sir.
Salman. Slowly you will
Yes.
get this, okay? Practice say. Till here it was very fine. Okay, till here it is very fine. Crisscross, do the crisscross thing. But after that, if you have acidic condition, that means you will have, in acidic condition, you will have water in the product side. You will add water in the product side, okay? Let me know if you're done. Done, guys? Okay. Khalid, Salman, done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So see, the question, they will not give you the reaction, okay? So the question will be something like this. Listen. Acha, acidic medium में, see, in acidic medium, what do we have? In acidic medium, we have H2O in the product side, okay? So in basic medium, we will have H2O in the reactant side. As simple as that. Okay, guys? Yes or no? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Please write permanganate ion. Permanganate ion reacts with bromide ion in basic medium. In basic medium to give magnesium. Okay, so this will be dioxide, I think. Magnesium dioxide. And bromate ion. And bromate ion. Write the balanced chemical equation. पहली बात तो ये परमैंगनेट क्या है ना? All of you must know what is this permanganate, okay? So that is why even if you know this oxidation number method and the half equation method, ion electron method, and you don't know these names, na, you will not be able to do the questions, okay? So it is very important that you practice. Practice will only let you remember these names. Permanganate is MnO4 negative, okay? So you can have, sometimes you will write potassium permanganate. So this will be KMnO4. KMnO4. Okay. If you're removing the K, that means you're removing a positive charge. That means you will have a negative charge here, okay? So MnO4 negative plus, what do we have? We have Br negative. It is giving me magnesium dioxide. That means, oh, magnesium लिख दिया हमने. It will be manganese. Manganese. Wait a second. Manganese dioxide. That means MnO2 plus BrO3 negative. Manganese dioxide and BrO3 negative. And we have to balance this by oxidation number method. Sometimes they will tell you what method you have to use. So all of you start calculating the oxidation state for all these particular elements. I will write for some of them. For example, O is always -2. O will be always -2. This is -1, -2. Now here Br is not -1. Okay, oxygen is -2. Oxygen is -2. Others you have to calculate. For manganese in the reactant side, and for manganese in the product, and the bromine in the product. Okay, you have to calculate. By the way, in computer, what you guys are doing? क्या चल रहा है Python में आप लोग के?
List manipulate.
Sir, we finished dictionary.
अच्छा, you have done dictionary. Okay. And Khalid, you have done list.
We are in list. Yeah.
Sure. So where does the index start from in Python list?
0.
Okay. अच्छा. Do you know about negative indexing, guys?
Yes,
Negative
sir.
indexing. अच्छा,
Yeah,
negative
sir.
indexing. Okay, negative indexing पढ़ाया आप लोगों को. You also know slicing?
Yes, sir, we were doing a few methods of slicing.
अच्छा, you are doing
Yeah,
few minutes. Okay. Do you refer to some videos in YouTube or something else to study, or the class is fine? Your school is only enough. Shravya, you tell me first.
Sir, could you repeat again?
Do you use any additional resource for computer science? That means for Python, or the school one is fine, whatever you are doing in school.
Sir, I study from school itself. I don't
School
use any
only.
additional. I
Okay.
use websites like to get some questions.
Acha, you use some websites to study some things. What about others? Hamza, what about you?
Yes, sir, from school only.
School only. Khalid?
Yeah, most of the things I understand from school. For questions, I refer online.
Acha, online for questions. What about Salman?
Same
Both?
things like
Same as Khalid.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, it is fine if because you have Python. Python is very easy as compared to C++, because when it was C++, I did not have computer science with my 11, 12. So my friends who had C++, they had to take coaching for C++ also. Like 2 or 3 months, that was enough for them. But still they had to take. But Python is quite easy. It is just like normal English. Most of the things. So what else do you have in list? I don't remember now. You have list slicing. There's indexing. Acha. So you must also know how to call an element now. You know these things? How to call an element of a particular index?
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Done, sir. So should we send the answer in the chat box?
No, it is fine. Fine. What about others? Hamza? हो गया reactant?
Yes, sir. Reactant.
To tell me, Mn?
So -7.
-7 ठीक से कीजिए. माइनस कैसे होगा दोनों का? हाँ,
+7.
+7 Hamza ना. See where you have gone wrong. Did you identify your mistake, Hamza?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about here, the product side? नहीं किया क्या आपने? Khalid?
+4.
Yes, Shravya, correct. What about you,
Plus-
Khalid? +4. Bromine is +5 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
+5. Okay. Now, so what we can see is oxygen is not changing. Bromine and manganese are changing. So I will write it like this. Decrease or increase?
Decrease.
So decrease by how much? 3 na?
3.
And here increase by
1.
1. Bromine is -1 से +5 जा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
6 na?
Yes, sir.
1. What happened, Shravya?
Sir, I
Six.
thought for oxygen, like from bromine to oxygen by mistake.
अच्छा. Okay, fine. You mistook it for +5 से आपने -2
Yes,
सोच
sir.
लिया. No problem. Okay. Increase by 6. That means Mn is how much? Mn will be. अच्छा, one thing that I can do now, see, decrease by 3 and here it is 6, right? What I can do is I can divide both of them. Okay, so see, if you can write 3 here, you will write 6 here. Okay. Can you see there is something common? 3
Yes,
is
sir.
common in both of them, na? So then
Yes,
you will,
sir.
these are ratios, okay? Maybe, I don't know you saw it or not. These are ratios only. So for ratio, you can simplify this. So this will be 1, this will be 2, correct? Now you will multiply the simplest ratio. So 2Mn O4 negative plus Br negative. Now don't worry about the oxygen. You just write 2MnO2 because there is 2 manganese here and plus BrO3 negative. Okay. Now everything is balanced. Only the oxygen is not balanced. Okay. Fine. So tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
tell me
sir.
how many oxygen are there in the products in the reactant side? How many oxygen?
8.
8 oxygen. And here?
4.
4. अरे भाई थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए आप
Yes,
लोग.
sir.
How many?
7.
7.
है ना? 7 oxygen. So I have to add water. Where should I add water? Tell me.
Product side.
अरे नहीं भाई, basic ना. See, it is basic medium. Okay. Okay, Shravya. So in basic medium, we add water in the reactant side. So how
Reactant
many
side.
water? है ना, reactant side. How many water?
1.
Okay. Now tell me. How many? Now, if it is basic, we have to add what? OH, na?
OH minus.
So tell me how many OH? How many OH?
2.
Yes. Write that 2 OH negative and copy it. Do you write here 2H negative? Yes or no? 2OH negative. If you're done writing, let me know, okay?
Done, sir.
Okay, wait a second. Let me see if I have written it like this plus whatever it is there, 2MnO2 plus BrO3 negative. And if I have written here, what, how many H2O? 1 H2O, na? So what should I have done to balance this? I should have written 2H plus, है ना? Because you said na I have to write H2O in the product side. This is not right, because if I write H2O here, then what I have to do? I have to add 2H plus ion here, right? Now, if I am going to add H plus ion here, that means it is acidic. And that is, which is not correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is why I said that we will add in the H2O part. Done? Let us do one more of this type. Let us do one more of this type. CrO3. No, CrOH whole thrice. Let us take OH whole thrice plus iO3 negative is giving me I negative plus CrO4 2 negative. Okay, so let me write this equation first. Chromium OH whole thrice plus I.
Sir, what did you write by the way above 2H plus?
I wrote acidic हो जाएगा ना यहाँ पे. That is why this is not right way. Okay, that means you will not add water in the product side if you have basic medium, because then you have to add water molecules in the, sorry, you have to add H plus ions in the reactant side. Now, since it is basic, it cannot have H plus ions in the reactant. Okay, that's what I was saying only. iO3 negative will give me I negative CrO4 2 negative. Okay, so OH 3 negative, na? So this is 3 negative, so this will be plus 3. Oxygen will be, so always this will be minus 2 only. Hydrogen will be minus 1. Here oxygen is minus 2, so 3 to the 6, and then minus 1. 6 minus 1, which will be equal to plus 5. This will be plus 5. Here it is minus 1. Here 4 to the 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2. Here it will be plus 6 and minus 2. For oxygen, see, you have to do this, okay, always 3 to the, and whatever negative charge is there, now you add it. So 3 to the is 6 and minus 1, which is equal to 5. Here you have 4 to the 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. Okay. So you will get for chromium, here I am getting for iodine. But again, only with practice, nothing else. Practice and you will be forming your own tricks. I don't have to give you guys tricks, okay? है ना, ये क्या, ये trick थी ना, this is we are just practiced a lot. and we have found that, okay, fine. If I do 3 to the 6 and I subtract 1, then I will get the oxidation state. Okay, what is happening now? So we are going from +3 to +6, and oxygen and hydrogen, nothing is happening. So here there is no hydrogen also. Then we have iodine here. This is getting -1. Okay, that means +3 to +6. So it is 3. The change is happening here is 3. What is the change here? +5 to -1. What is the change? +5 to -1? 6, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, here you have 3, here you have 6. So here you have 1, here you have 2. Correct? So you can write 2 CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 negative will give me I negative plus how many? 2 CrO4 2 negative. 2 CrO4 2 negative. Okay. Now we have to balance oxygen and hydrogen. You have to balance oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. So tell me, how many oxygen here? How many oxygen? 3, 2 are 6,
9.
9, na?
Yes.
And what about here? How many? 8.
8.
Correct. So where will I add H2O? Where should I add H2O? Tell me.
Product.
Wait a second. Tell me about hydrogen also now, because we have hydrogen also here. See, है ना? How many hydrogen?
6.
6 hydrogen.
And how many hydrogen here?
No
0 ना?
hydrogen.
No hydrogen. Yes. Now tell me. अब दोनों को देख के बताइए अब कहाँ पे डालें हम H2O? Where should I add H2O? Such that you don't have to add H plus anywhere, because this is basic medium. Okay. Similar to the last one, this is basic medium. Struggle a bit, है ना? हम तो बता ही देंगे आपको जवाब, but look at the oxygen numbers and hydrogen number and think. We have not done any theory. Yes or no? We have not done any theory, na? We have just said that we will use the oxidation number to calculate, because we know what is happening in balancing. At least some idea we have from lower standard what happens in balancing. That is why I have not written any steps for you guys. Okay. Now you will tell me, where should I add H2O? I have got 2 messages. Shravya is asking reactants. Hey, what is the logic? How are you going to answer me? Tell me. Yes, Shravya. Hello, Shravya.
I thought more the oxygen means we need to add water, and then to balance it OH minus.
Then to balance it, OH minus. Acha, see, the change here is, if I talk about oxygen, I need only 1 oxygen, right? The change is of 1. Yes or no? 8 and
Yes,
9.
sir.
The difference is only 1. What about here? The difference is?
6.
The difference is 6. Okay. So what does it mean regarding addition of hydrogen? Which side needs? Tell me. Which side need water? The reactant or the product? Look at the change and tell me. Which side need water? Which side need more water?
The product.
You can see here, right? The product side. Because see, the product side, if I will give water in product side, there is already some hydrogen to balance that water. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why did we not add in the product side earlier case? Because we did not have any hydrogen to balance that water. See, in the earlier case, here. Yeah, see here we had only MnO4 and Br, है ना? Now if I added any water molecule, I have to add here H plus ions. That I cannot do. But since I already have some hydrogens here, then that means I can add some water molecules here. Okay, I can add some water molecules. And specifically speaking, how many water molecules should I add? How many water molecules should I add? Tell me. 3, na?
Yes, sir.
3H2. If I add 3H2, now is this balanced? Tell me. If I add 3H2O, then how many? No. And we needed how many oxygens? We needed only 1 oxygens. Okay. That means I have to add. If I now there is some discrepancy in the oxygen. So we have 8 plus 3, which is equal to how much? 11 oxygen here.
11.
Now we have to, now we have to look for. Achha, and here what I can add? I can only add OH negative. Please remember that. I can add here OH negative. Okay. I cannot add H plus or water here now. Now to balance it, what I have to do is we have 3H2O here. Okay, that means the difference is here only for oxygen, and the difference is that we have how many more? 3 more oxygens here, right? We have 3 more oxygens here. We have 3 more oxygens. Now, if I increase this, let me write OH negative, okay? Let me not write anything right now here. Now I have to balance this. So how many OH negative and how many H2O? We answered that we need H2O molecules in the product side by looking at the difference of hydrogen. And we saw that there are some hydrogen. That means I can write some H2O here, okay, in the product side. That's fine. But now we know why. Now we have to understand how many H2O molecules should I add?
3H2O.
3H2O. Then in reactant, how will you balance it? Tell me. If I write 3H2O. You have only H and O to balance here, okay?
Sir, 5H2O.
Okay, if I write 5H2 and then
On reactant side, we have to add 4 OH minus.
will it be balanced then?
Yes, sir.
See, is it balanced? How did you calculate, Hamza?
Sir, I calculate like here if we add this much, like I calculate from 1 and 2 like that. I went okay, like, and then I got the answer on 13. Like here it will be 13 and there it will be 13.
Hai so simple balancing, right? Like the
Yes, sir.
old hidden trial, right? In balancing, we have learned in 10th standard, hidden trial. So this is the only method. I will not tell you like these steps. You will know it on your own. How much H2O I have to add, how much OH negative you have to add with experience. Okay, I will not tell you any rule right now, but you know the basics now. Hai ki nahi? How you have to proceed. You know the basics?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give you some questions in the assignment. That questions you can try, acidic medium, basic medium, and then we can discuss them. Okay. Shravya, can you see, is it balanced? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, we have 6. Okay, fine. अच्छा चलो बाद में ही बताएंगे आपको. First, let me give you guys some problems. You start with the basics, and then we can see some pattern there, and then we can write